Now he's gonna be all serious.
Hello.
Okay, what do you gotta say, Kaden?
Hello, it's Bearded Practitioner and me.
And what's your name?
Kaden.
Kaden?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
So today we got beard mail. And who's it from?
Barbu Beard Co.
And we've tried them before, and this time I bought something.
We got it on December 28th, 2019.
I know, just a little bit ago.
Yeah.
And
What was that? Oh.
It's just exciting about opening the beard mail. Okay. Wait, first.
I ain't gonna say anything about what just happened.
First.
Oh, those are cool.
Yes.
No, I want to show them.
These are my favorite. He has really great stickers.
Are they car stickers?
Nope.
Oh, I think some of them are. Look, the Jester.
Ooh, yeah, remember? Oh, this is, yeah.
I'll show you the...
So that's kind of cool. I already own the Jester.
Oh, I know the Jester. Me and you did it a few times ago.
Yep. It's a really good set.
So these are what we got. We got cool stickers. We got his card. We got a book of more of like what he's done, like some of his stuff, his work and that, which is cool.
That is really cool. And so he's like, and then so let's open this because I already own the Jester, but you can smell it again since it's like a little sample smell.
Ooh, that's cool.
I'll smell it.
I've never had I've never had a smell be in a baggie, which is cool.
This is kind of cool though. This is a cool concept because what this is yeah. So this is like beard oil, like it's just a little sample smell.
Oh,
so just
cool.
try that. There you go. I already own the Jester, but it is.
It smells so good.
Yeah, his scents are just amazing.
It's going on my hands now, so now
let's smell it. I gotta smell it again. Oh, let's smell it out of the package. I just love the smell. Yeah, it smells mandarin
good.
orange.
It smells good.
Right, mandarin orange is the one that just hits me right in the head, or face, right when I open that one. Oh, I love the gel. Like literally, that's one of my. I think he's been on my show like twice.
Sorry, Dad. You're being funny.
It's literally one of my favorite companies. But I think he knows that because I support a lot of what he's doing. He's the one that did the Shaman, and we did that.
Oh, yeah, Shaman?
Yeah, he has that.
Oh, yeah. I think I remember that one. That's one where we did.
Yeah.
We did. I'm pretty sure that was the last one we got from him was the Shaman.
I think so. No, I got some other ones, but maybe. No, because I got the Governor.
Oh, yeah, and then the Governor. Or didn't we do the Governor later?
Yeah, we did the Governor later. We got the Shaman, and then we got the Governor and stuff later. Okay, so this is a bata, and I was all about this. So this is one.
Thank you for sending us this stuff, because
this
awesome. Is cool because we haven't done this company in a little bit, so it's cool that we're gonna get back to doing his products.
Yeah, Barbu's just he's just an amazing company.
And I've smelled the products that my dad's done like beginning before he was a reviewer, and they smelled really good.
Yeah.
And I think this is a pull up.
Nope.
I'll pull up. It's a twist.
Do the secret twist.
I was trying to do a new way, but that didn't work. Oh wait. It's called the Bushman, all natural and organic.
Yep, very good, very good.
The Bushman, 2 ounces, 60 millimeters. I'm pretty sure ml.
Ml, yep, milliliters.
Barbu Beard Butter.
Yeah. So what did you do with beard butter? What's the difference between beard butter and beard balm?
It's different times in day, like butter's in the morning.
Nope. Reverse.
Or butter's at night and balm's in the morning.
Very good.
It smells really good.
Does it? What do you think?
Yeah, it does.
What do you think?
It smells really good. 10 out of 10.
Oh, yeah. So that's a woodsy smell.
Yeah.
Totally
and
woodsy.
Can I get the ingredient? Can we get the ingredient?
I think it's on the back.
Let me see.
It's woodsy. Definitely woodsy.
Yeah. Ingredients. Beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, castor oil, 100% pure essential oils.
Oh, so it doesn't say the smell. Huh?
It smells really good.
It smells like forest. I like it a lot. It's a nice woodsy smell, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I And of course.
Thank you for sending us this stuff.
Yes, we love it. Barbu.
I give it a thumbs up. It smells
You think
really
so?
good.
You give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Scent. This is truly a man's scent. Sure, it could be. You want to read it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, it could have been easy to find a fragrance oil named Campfire Bliss and call it a day, but you know by now that is not Barbu's style. The star of show is Vetiver, with its natural smoky profile, together with some other woodsy base notes and a refreshing top. Note of balsam, right?
Balsam. Yeah.
Balsam fir. This profile hits the mark. You'll also find some earthly tones that will surely ground your senses as well. You'll be literally transported back to when you were in the Boy Scouts on a camping trip, or doing a long hunting expedition. And then it says what you'll get, carrier and better formula.
Pretty cool. Okay, well, that's very good. We're going to try that out. That's going to be my new nighttime scent.
Can I try it on my arm?
You want to try some?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try it right on my arm and then.
Right on your arm?
Just so like.
Ooh, that's smooth. That's smooth, Kaden. That's smooth butter. That's smooth butter.
It smells really good.
Oh, it is. It's definitely campfire.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that just. Yeah, wow. That's campfire.
Yep.
That is campfire.
Sorry.
Do you like smoky smells?
Yeah, I do. I love
Do you
smoky
like woodsy smells?
The best. My favorite smells are like sugary smells, perfumes, and campfire smells.
Woodsy smell?
Yeah,
woodsy campfire. Well, this one's definitely campfire. This one's definitely campfire. Awesome. Well, do you have anything to say?
I can 100% tell that they had woodsy and a little bit of campfire in it as well.
Do you like s'mores?
Like a mix. Yes, I do.
Yeah, that's what I think of when we had that.
In a while.
Yeah, that's what I think of when we smell campfire.
Mhm.
And we had that fire pit.
Oh yeah.
We used to do s'mores and hot dogs and things.
I feel like the hot dogs kind of weren't the best choices.
You think the s'mores were though?
The s'mores were awesome.
I agree. I like s'mores.
We had the special sticks to put them on. The metal ones that wouldn't get burnt on like a stick.
See, that's what's cool about campfires. Yeah.
Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notifications. And thank you for watching and have a great day.